Okay, we're progressing on the dip. You can see he's moved past working on just the outlet, and now he's starting to get into the road here, right? So a couple things that you need to understand that are driving the shape and type of rolling dip we're going to put here, right? One is, and probably most importantly, is that this road right here is a major road, major artery on industrial property, and our design vehicle for this road is a low bed truck, right? And low beds are the most restrictive kind of vehicle you can get out here because they're so low to the ground. These are the things that are carrying the bulldozers and excavators in on the freeways and stuff, right? So because of that, we can't have big giant hump in the road. We want them longer and maybe a little shallower, right? So that's what we're shooting for here. Another thing to keep in mind is that you can see up here, this road, we're actually using a combination of ditch relief culverts and rolling dips to treat this road. So you can see here on the inside ditch, we have a culvert right there, right? So wham, we just pick off the ditch water, right, that has gone in the culvert, and now we still have the road surface runoff, right, though? So we've caught in that ditch relief culvert, even with this chicken foot right up here, right, we've caught everything in the ditch. But a couple wheel ruts later, you're still gonna have runoff coming on your road unless you got a really awesome inslope. But even then, it doesn't matter. A couple wheel ruts, it only takes a little bitty half-inch rut to hold water on the road, right? So the water's still in the road, so what do? We're gonna pick it off with the rolling dip, right? But in this case, the rolling dip is not gonna be so deep that we actually catch the ditch with it. This rolling dip is just gonna catch the road surface. So we pick off the ditch water with the ditch relief culvert, and we pick off the road surface runoff with the rolling dip. And we use these in combination to drain the road, right? So that's what's going on here. And we'll talk to you in a second.